In this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to frame a pyramid hip roof. Do you know what's the difference between a pyramid hip roof and a gable roof? Please let me know. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. To frame our hip roof, it requires a lot of cutting, some different angles like 20-degree angles, 15-degree angles, all depend on how steep the hip is. So this requires a workman who can measure and monitor their angles and measurement to get your hip roof accurate and neat. So most of the work is about cutting and getting the right angles and measurement. So
some roof higher than some. So you see the higher I go, the steeper I cut it. I cut it and retire. You get short and retire.
Depends on the level.
Higher building go. And stuff like it. Do I building go? Do I target at 20 degrees?
20.
You have 15, you have 30, you have 25.
Yeah. I understand.
Alright! We're not bigger than this man down. And we are England with the live, yeah, so. We're not, I mean for the real general.
International.
Come on, get rid of one. One more.
this workman is just having fun and making it look super easy because he know his tape measure and know to measure angles and use his saw as well. So he's just having fun and make it look super easy.
Them are shorter because them are go on a lower side. Them long one go on the higher
side.
So then they short, they go on a lower side.
So low one for lower side, long one for higher side.
This workman is so professional that he calculate most of what he's doing and cut a lot of his angles and pieces before he goes on the rooftop. With this meaning he's so professional and confident in what he's doing, so he's just measuring and cutting because he do this job every day. So he's not excuse me, he's not guessing what he's doing. He's sure about what he's doing. So that's where your confidence comes in. You're sure about what you're doing and you're so professional. You're just confident, you're just cutting and doing the thing because you do it every day. You're sure of what you're doing. That's professional.
Washroom. Okay. So washroom smaller, you cut it smaller. Okay. So cut it off for now. length of 16.
Yes. Two washroom.
Yeah.
Like washroom small. You put in a two, they go 8 foot.
So you get 8 foot for one, 8 foot for the other side, half an hour. Alright, 2, 8, 16.
Come again, come again.
Veranda. So veranda how much? 20. So this is a longer piece. So down here would have been 40, 20, and a cut in a 2. So that'll be 10, 10.
If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. As you can see clearly, it's a lot of cutting, but this is one complete house. I think this is a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom house, so it's a complete roof. It's a lot of roof. But this workman make it look easy. He's just cutting and cutting, you know. So these are the cut pieces set in position to start to create the roof. So this is the back of the building where you can see the washroom. So that is where he was talking about the shorter pieces is for the washroom. So these pieces he was cutting 16. This was 16 feet long. So these pieces are 8 feet in the tall now. So that's what's gonna do the washroom. So this guy really know what he's doing, you know. And here is scaffolding. These pieces that are looking like leather. You gotta line them up in the center as a scaffolding to walk on and make the job easy.
They didn't want to fall now.
Alright, this up. I rinse for it. Brother, hold on this up. We have to cut out this and then cut out this and this up. Down, brother.
So as you can see, he's making a unique cut or a join. So this is where he will join the two long piece, which will be in the highest part of the roof. Yeah, so this piece is very critical. So this is the piece where the two angle piece will meet. Yeah, so he's cutting his angle, he's making a join. Some other workmen do it in other different style, but this is strong. So if you see your next workman do it in a different style, it have strength same way. So this guy know what he's doing, definitely.
Take all that and put.
Rasta lucky off on. I'm doing this on my own. We're not done. I'm doing this on my own on the window. I'm doing it.
So this is where they start to build the scaffold. So let's take a good look and pay attention. This is very important and this have to be very accurate and strong. So they are making preparation to build a scaffold in the center of the building, which is the highest point of the building. So just pay attention and see what they do. Some women might do it different. This is very simple and easy. If you have a simpler or easier way, please let me know.
See my one? You see my door? Make it get into the nice center.
I feel ensure that it's lined up. Alright, so I use that, you know, that I use line them. Oh, scaffold, what I have to ensure say line up. Yeah. Oh. Ensure say firm and strong. People think, some people think this work a walkover thing, you know. They have to make them know it's a play thing, you know. Serious business. Work with measurement. This is how you build a scaffold.
Push it. Voilà.
On the ground.
Yeah.
145.
Yeah, stop.
This is a cross piece.
Yeah, catch your right. Right. Come on, right.
Talk to me, stop. Look.
Yeah.
Try something. Huh?
Go back here.
Yes, sir?
Yeah. Rasta, give me tea.
You're fine.
You know over there, Rhoden? You know over there? Rasta, mark the circle for them two board them. When I left over store yard. I don't know let me have food there.
Level. So hold on, oh, we'll start F1 next time over there go. Really?
So as you can see, the scaffold is complete and the workman is on top of it, about to catch the center of the building with that two long pieces. Remember the two long pieces with that special join? This is it. So the roof is officially on the way. So that's how it go with preparation, proper planning, accurate cutting and measuring. That's how you get your hip roof on the way.
What we done? Nah. Hey. Hey.
One dollar more.
Got that change here?
Do remember this video is part 1 of 2, so we'll be doing part 2 soon. So remember to subscribe and press the notification bell to see when the next part of this video I've uploaded. Remember that. Press the notification bell.
What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video.